Rectangular prisms. This is usually everybody's favorite. So this is a little Rubik's Cube, but it's exactly the same as our 2x2 square. We've got an orange side that's 2, a yellow side that's 2, and then a height that's 2. So our length, width, and height, all of those things are 2 because our rectangular prism is really a square prism, right? So squares are special rectangles. All squares are rectangles, but not all rectangles are squares. When we find the volume, we're going to do V equals 2 times 2 times 2. And then when we find the surface area, we're going to do 2 times this 2 and this 2. It's going to get to be a lot of 2's. And then 2 times this 2 and this 2 times 2 times 2. And then 2 times our last 2 2's. It's so many 2's. 2 times 2 times 2. Notice I put my multiplication dots. I can also just put parentheses around those things. It doesn't really matter. So volume is going to be 8, and then this is going to be 8 plus 8 plus 8, or 8 times 3, which is going to be 24. Surface area is always units squared. Volume is always units cubed. You can pull down this just to make sure you've got all of the right answers. And we've got 8 inches cubed and 24 inches, you guessed it, squared. Remember, we don't really do lateral area for rectangular prisms. We could, it would just be those 4 faces without the top and the bottom. What I want you to do is go to the next one and see if you can do the surface area and the volume all by yourself, and then watch the video to see if you were right. I'll see you then.